Hello, in this video I will show you how to add keyboard languages in Windows 11. So you have to click on your Start menu and then go to Settings. Now click on Time and Language and go to Language and Region. And now click on Add Language. And you can choose another language from this list and then click Next. Here you can decide what do you want to install and then click Install. So that's how you add keyboard languages to your Windows 11. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.